Lesson 30, Groups of Mixed Gender. In English, the word friend doesn't have a gender. It's not male or female. So if I say a group of friends, it doesn't matter who's in the group. It doesn't matter if they're male or female. But in French, the word for friend does have gender. So that's going to affect the way we talk about a group of friends. We have to take their gender into account, right? Francois, how would you describe a group of friends that is completely male? What word would you use for that?
Des amis. It's a male. The word will be plural male.
But you see, the problem in French is that all four of these words is pronounced the same. So when you're saying them, you can't hear the E or the S at the end of these words. So I say ami, 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 ami. They're all the same. So, but when you're writing it, you can see it.
So in written French, you can see it, but not in spoken French, because it sounds the same.
It is the same in case of ami, but you have a lot of words where the feminine is different from the masculine.
True.
And the S is always at the end, after the E of the feminine. So most of the time it is silent. But you can make difference between feminine and masculine. And
in this case, can you? Is AMI versus AMIE? Is there a difference?
No, ami is the same. Ami is the same.
Okay.
But what else?
Il est français. Ils sont français. Elle est française. Elles sont françaises.
Yes, you can say that. Des Français ou des Anglais, des Anglaises. If you have a group, let's say Anglais is for male English and Anglaise, female English. If you have several people, you have only one word for the plural. So you have to say Anglais or Anglaise. The French rule is as soon as you have one male in the group, the word will become male.
In French grammar, the male always wins.
And really that same rule exists in Spanish too. The same grammatical thing happens. So now let me jump back to my original question, the question I was asking at the very beginning of this. Francois, what would you say if you had a group of friends that consisted entirely of just males?
Mes amis, des amis.
Okay, so that would be spelled AMIS.
Yes.
And that's masculine.
Yes.
Okay, so what if the group is all female friends?
Des amis, but with the E that show it is all female, a group of all females.
And that would be spelled AMIES.
Yes.
And what happens if it's a mixed group? It's got some guys and some girls.
In that case, you apply the masculine word.
So even if the whole group is female except for one man, then what do?
Ami, male.
And that's AMIS, correct?
Yes.